Hello, Juanita here for my week 12 UDL reflection. So for number 1, identify 3 previous modules that influenced how you designed your lesson and why. Be specific and detailed in your answer. So my first one is week 2 module, specifically the 5 essential components for social justice. This influenced my lesson plan because it's very important for me to keep in mind my students' background, like where they come from and what their needs will be in terms of teaching them. So, for example, tools for personal reflection, I made sure that in some of our assessments they could self-assess, and it actually kind of goes into the tools for critical analysis as well. We're making sure that they have self-assessments, and that way they could learn how to build up on their work when it comes to how they view it themselves, so know where their errors are, and hopefully that will help them understand the content better. For week 3, I chose this one because of the multiple intelligences. This one definitely was also a very huge part of my lesson plan because we had to keep in mind not only throughout the lesson but how our product will be, because it's one of the main points of a product having 3 choices. It's because our students have multiple intelligences. So one of them might have a strong suit in writing while another one is more verbal. So having in mind multiple intelligences really makes a basis for each of our E's. And there's no way I could have done such a good job, well, I hope it's a good job, in the way my lesson plan is with me and my co-teacher, because we have to make sure that we're constantly adhering to the multiple intelligences each day and with each lesson, and also making sure that we're putting the students in a position where they're learning new intelligences. For week 5, I chose this one specifically because of the backwards design. So, of course, our lesson plan had to be done with backward design in mind. And this isn't just on what we had to read in online. It was also in class. I actually remember very clearly when we were speaking about how we shouldn't put a base on our materials, but instead on the product that we want. So that definitely makes a huge difference to how the lesson plan is made, because we didn't base it off of materials. We based it off of what the outcome should be of our students, what information they should know, what they have mastered. So that's definitely a very huge portion of our lesson planning. Now, for the second question, what feedback did you find helpful, and what about the feedback made it helpful? Please explain. So, right here I have some feedback from one of my videos on the lesson plan. And my first example is having some fellow students have good feedback. It was really nice to see how they said, what was it? It's nice that we understand what each student deserves. That they said that keep up the nice work. So basically, the point of this is that it's really helpful and motivating to see positive comments, because it helps me feel like, okay, I'm going the right way. I know I should work harder and better. So that definitely is really, really helpful in keeping my motivation going. Another thing was our Zoom meeting that we had recorded. This was extremely helpful too, because I knew exactly what was expected from my lesson plan, and I was able to go in and make the changes that were necessary, and I definitely feel like now it's way better than it was in the beginning. In terms of my class, we didn't really have specifically what students were affected in the barriers, and as well as the time, we made sure that we had that all figured out. So that's all. Thank you very much. Goodbye.